This video tutorial demonstrates the 3 easy steps that you'll follow to integrate Reach's powerful cross-border payment solution into your Bridgerpay account. This video is for those who are already set up in Bridgerpay and have received their Reach HMAC Secret and Merchant ID. If you do not have these credentials, please contact your Reach sales representative before continuing. Step 1. Add a Payments Service Provider, PSP. Open the Bridgerpay menu by clicking on the menu icon in the top left corner of the screen. Select PSPs. Use the search field to find Reach and click the Add button. Step 2. Create PSP credentials. From the PSP screen, select Reach. Click on the Credentials tab. Click Add New Credentials. Fill out the following fields. Descriptor. Fill out this required field as desired. For more information on the flexibility of dynamic descriptors, please visit our helpful documentation. Accept liability. If you're already using Reach fraud services, please leave this box untoggled. If you're not using Reach fraud, please contact your sales representative for more information. API key field. Paste your Reach HMAC secret into the API key field. Merchant ID. Paste in your merchant ID here. MID strategy. Select the appropriate MID strategy for your business. Finish by clicking Add. Step 3. Route your global payments. From the main Bridgerpay menu, select Router. Select the Worldwide Transactions option in order to route all countries and currencies through Reach. This will employ Reach's powerful cross-border solution at its fullest. Click Add PSP, select Reach, then click Add. If you wish to update the currencies and payment methods available, click the Edit icon on the Reach entry, and then click the Edit icon again where it appears in the pop-out menu on the right of the screen. From here, you may update the currencies and payment methods as desired and click Save. Please note, by default, all currencies and payment methods available in Reach's solution will be enabled. Step 4. Country-specific routing, optional. If you wish to customize your routing and use Reach for a specific market, click on the Add a New Payment Route option under the Router menu. Search for and select the desired country. Select Reach and save by hitting Add. Now, edit your currencies and payment methods as desired. When satisfied, finish by clicking Create. Thank you for following along with our tutorial to integrate the Reach payment solution with your Bridgerpay account. If you have any follow-up questions, please contact your Reach sales representative or check out the detailed documentation on our website.